I can't believe we came here for nothing. We should have just went.
We are at 167th Street. We just came from Rich's party. Yeah. It was popping, you know.
Where they call the cops at, you know,
so
we gotta go.
But they called the cops on us, so we had to leave. So I think we're going to Esco's now. I'm not sure. We with our homeboy Hugo. Hugo, say hi.
Hugo. Hey.
Hugo, what's your last name?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, doesn't matter to him, people. But us four are going to Escuelitas. Come here, Hugo, because I don't think I can see you.
Yeah. Hugo, come on.
I think we're going to Escuelitas.
Esco.
We're gonna try to have fun. Maybe try to buy a bottle.
Yeah, no, not a bottle.
No?
Maybe a bottle. Okay, bottle. Oh, that bitch kicked me.
I'm kind of done. Not really done. Like, I'm not drunk. I can see what I'm doing. I'm just really, really tipsy. Everything's spinning.
Yeah.
But
and that's what usually happens before you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, therefore, I'm going to take care of him.
And so far, I'm going to turn the camera off because I feel like everything's spinning. So, bye, people. I love y'all. If you want to stay tuned to our life, just come to Escuelitas. It's on 39th Street, bitches. It's fucking $20 to get in, 15 if you have the text message.
There you go, bitches.
If you want the text message, just hit me up. I tell y'all, bye.
Bye.
I love y'all. Peace, bitches.